Hello friends, good morning. So as I had explained in the video, we need to wait for 54104 to come for us to start our trading activities. In the meantime, I had spotted JSW Steel, and I bought a put option 1000 put option at 12.2, currently 17. So this is the structure that I create. So 983.75 is my first target. And from there, I think it will bounce, and maybe we can look at a second trade. Not here. So it just happened that I got it in the first 5 minutes. So nice bearish hangman. So Bank Nifty is at 54,000. So could resist here, or it could resist at 54,104. We don't know. We'll wait for the candles to confirm it, or it might just happen that trend is bullish throughout the day, in which case we will reverse our stance. But right now I'm looking only at short trade in Bank Nifty, but it opened so gap down and at our support level. So there's no point in shorting it unless this can turn out red. So now where could it retrace to? You can also make a guess. So 54,050 is one place that can retrace to. Let's wait patiently. Still have an issue with sound? Oh, okay. Maybe because of my settings. Is it better, Sriram? Thank you. So I was just playing around the settings, so that one of them caused it. So JSW is near my first target. So start exiting here. So I've taken 4 lots, exited 3, 1 lot remaining. Now the reason for, okay, let's look at Bank Nifty for a while and then it has hit the target, and here it should bounce, so I'm exiting. So the reason for the trade in JSW Steel is this candle. Very nice shooting star, right? And I expected that it would retrace to 996, which is exactly what it did. And if I go back to 5-minute chart, in the first 5 minutes I got a bearish hangman exactly at my resistance level, and so I shorted here. It's stop loss of day high, and he's falling like no tomorrow. But this is a place that he should get support around 982. So I'm just waiting. Now let's get Bank Nifty might give us a trade. It has taken resistance at this area. Let's see a lot of selling coming in. So I am looking at 24,100 PE. Sorry, 54,100 PE, 24. So this is a good place. Risky trade, but can attempt it. So let's say above 197. Yeah, 196. That's good. Let's try with a small size to start with. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. So let's wait. Okay, let's put in a small quantity. I am putting in 300. And lagged with if it moves in our direction. So I got 300 at 185.4. So my hard stop will be 165.4. 160 150. So either Bank Nifty could spend time here, or it can go to our 54,104 level. So that's why I'm not sure. So we took a small position, and if it hits stop loss, it's okay. It's just a trial size, and our main trade will come if it goes to 54,104. That's where we look for the main trade. For now, I am exiting. I exited at 157. Slippage happened. Okay, that's why I said we should try with a small quantity. So testing the waters type. So now we can expect the Bank Nifty to go till here for sure. So let's wait for that. 15-minute chart. I'm not going to go long till it has trading above 54,245. I know it's far, but that's how it is. KSW will I think will pull back again. So it's exactly going as I expected. You can see this, right? So it can pull back to, you can easily do a retracement here. 992. If it comes, then we can look for a short entry there. Okay, Bank Nifty is moving up. What's happening with Nifty? Nifty is also open near our support level, and this looks more bullish now than bearish. Consider this looks like full flag. But then why I'm not bullish for the day is because of this selling which happened. So quite naturally, market can come and test the supply zone once again. So that's where 25,995 is a good place for Nifty, but it is struggling as of now. So it may not even last till that. So that's good. Below 25,886, no brainer. And Bank Nifty again, this area is offering so much resistance, but the option price is fluctuating too fast. Let's wait for market. The stock that I'm looking at is Hindustan Copper. It has reached its market wide limit and has gone into pan. So that could be an interesting thing to short, not for long. Although we know that in daily gave a breakout and all that. Then you can see that there is a beautiful resistance over here. And once it comes here, I would be pretty interested in it. With no buying force, can it tame? So this is another one of the sitting ducks for me. So we cannot do enough now. We have to live in cash. Okay, Bank Nifty is coming back to our favorite areas. Get a good signal from Call India, and then sorry, Hindustan Copper, not Call India. Okay, at 9:45 we'll get our our first list of stocks as well. So today is the day to go big or not. We will see. You can see JSW Steel has nicely bounced back to 991. So this guy comes into focus for me suddenly. See, right? So this leg is done. Now we're talking about this leg. It could go into a slightly form a kind of a bearish flag, and then we have to break it. This time the target will be 974. So let's okay. So Bank Nifty is giving another sell, and 1 minute to see if it sustains there. Let it sustain below 53 970 for some 1 minute or so, and then we can end. Otherwise he's really going back here, but this area is getting a lot of sell now. So if everybody here reverses their short, then maybe we are going up to cross yesterday's high. So all options open right now, and we wait. So in my mind, I'm very clear that I will not even think about long until it crosses 54,250 and then consolidates there and gives me a bullish breakout from there. The reason is very simple. It has a huge supply all along this candle, and we will not know from where it can turn from. For example, it can just go to 54,050 and turn, 54,104 and turn, 4,150 and turn. So we are at a risk here. So far, there has not been a single red candle, so that gives a bullish vibe also. So let's see. This is nice turn as well. It is broken and testing the triangle boundary. Triangle 44018 over the day high, getting cross and magnetic. Somebody's looking for a sniper trade, so this is the perfect place. Once it breaks right here to 54,104, but I am not taking it. So it could be possible that Bank Nifty will go to 54,500 today, and in that case we will get probably a very late entry, which is okay by me. That's the price I'm willing to pay because this candle is pretty bad. So I think it's time is ripe for a trade in our this guy's made one more. Interesting. So let's let him break some levels. We'll wait. Okay, Bank Nifty is coming to our area, so we have 7 more minutes to go on a 15-minute chart. An early entry possible. Breaking this low of 53,967.8. Let's say 53,965. That's when our next trade can potentially come in. I'm checking builder. So I think it's time is ripe for a trade in our. So there's doesn't seem to be any problem with sound when I play it back live on my phone. So maybe you can check or somebody else can confirm. Okay, I'm taking a short in JSW Steel by buying 1,000 put again. So my stop is gonna be a little above the high of this candle. I don't want to take too much risk because it should not go beyond 993. So 993 is my stop loss from here. Meanwhile, Bank Nifty is continuing its merry way by going both sides. So this is why we want to be patient and we'll wait for. The upside is full of resistances and this guy is not breaking downside. So we'll see a premium evaporation exercise which will happen now. And after that only, if there is a move, after that it will come. You would see that the premiums are going away in both long as well as short, both calls and puts. Once those settles, then we can think. So ideal thing is if we get a beautiful shooting star here, then that's the best shot that we can take. Very fast it will come to 53,795 if we get a shooting star here. Okay, thank you builder, thank you Amol, thanks for confirming. Yeah, builder also noted the same thing, that both sides premium are decaying. That's exactly what I meant. And we are looking for a shooting star on this candle. 2 more minutes to go. We need to wait for the candle. If it's not a shooting star, our wait continues. So now I expect this guy to give me around 974. So the option should move 5 to 6 rupees. So around 2 rupees or 2.5 rupees stop loss would be good in options, just based on the risk reward. I bought it 17.6, I think. 17.3. Hindustan copper. Okay, so this is the candle which will decide. So made a hangman and then a rolling wave. Rolling wave, as we know, is an indecisive candle. Bearish confirmation has been provided now. So below 341, 347, a stop is too far away. So we need to wait for a better setup. 6 rupees stop loss on Hindustan copper is too much. So we didn't get our candle as we expected. So we wait for some more reversal signs. So it's kind of making a consolidation at the high, which is not good for shorters like me. But I'm still holding on to my bare-headed view that till 52 to 450 is taken out, I am not going to think of longs. Worst cases today could be sideways. Let's be very careful in putting our second trade. Rather, it would be 4th trade. I have had 2 trades in in JSW and one trade in Bank. What is Nifty up to? Nifty is nicely broken the trend line. Look at the bigger time frame. If I look at the other trend line now, top still not comfortable. So this is too steep, so it will still need a pullback. So on a 5-minute chart, I have a better stop loss for this guy in this done copper. So this could be the area where I go short. And how far is this? 3.25. That's up. Then my risk reward is queued. It's only 1:1. No. So why I'm behind this guy is as I explained once on the. So there's a resistance at 348, right? And this guy has gone into market wide limit has been crossed, so it's gone into FNO band. So if I were holding this contract, since I am in a gain already from yesterday, let's say I made a position yesterday, then I would like to book my profit and move to the next series because tomorrow is the expiry. So, and there is no way for me to add any positions, right? And since we are at near a resistance, I expect that the transfer will happen now. That means there is a lot of selling that will happen in the current month contract. Since we are in cash, that could give us some good gain. Till where can it fall down? To around 337, which is what we saw in the 5-minute chart as well. So currently we don't have a good risk reward. So let's do. Meanwhile, our favorite JSW is doing its thing. And so here we can see that this guy has done a very good job, right? He broke out of this and now he's retesting this as part of retest. I expect it to come down as well. This is a dangerous candle to see at a place when all the steel stocks were breaking out yesterday. So this is a dangerous candle. That means that either this is the trap candle or people are moving out of JSW and moving to some other better revenue. That is the candle interpretation. Okay, Bank Nifty. Okay, give me. An IB would be practice. Whenever Bank Nifty reaches levels like 53,000, 54,000, 55,000, there will be a power struggle between bears and bulls. I don't know why that happens, but that's how it happens. Right now, they are resolving who is the winner. Meanwhile, we wait. See, just by 20 points move, the 54,100 put is also moving 20 points. But what actually about the VIX? The VIX is down. Bank Nifty. So we said that 54,967. 55 is our breaking point. Okay, so let's take some here. This time I'm going with a medium size quantity of 600. It's quite possible that this guy can touch one of these and go back. Let's go 24,973 is our key level, one of our level. In an ideal world, we should get 53,833 and 53,783 in the next two candles. In an ideal world. And the target that we should look for is... Oh, the fluctuation in premium is too much. So if it goes our way, then the first target would be 200 and second target would be 226. With this volatility, I would like to keep 230 as the target, because if it's volatile on the way down, it will be volatile on the way up also. So we can expect a bigger target. So I'm giving 230 as the target for now. And let's exit fully and then re-enter if needed. 181, 183. Come on. Do the same Josh that you showed the other way. And JSW Steel is 19.4 now. It's giving excellent profit. Even for one lot, I have 5. Come on, this is the big trade that we want. And this is the nonsense area where it might just reverse. 180 barrier is not breaking. 180, come on. Nifty is falling nicely. Did I make a wrong choice of Bank Nifty? Let's see. The delta of this. The SW target is 1974, guys. 974. We expect around 5 to 6 rupees in the option. If Bank Nifty falls to 53,833, then the same put will give us around right now it's 130, right? So 170 plus 91 points, so 260 levels. Pair should close this candle well. Okay, this is important. Very good. Now the premiums will start jumping once it falls below 3,900. There you go. Hindustan Copper is near the target. Oh yeah. Blindly hit. Sometimes common sense works better than technical. Builder, I have not changed any setting and I have not changed my position also, so nothing should change unless it's something on the network check. I have a habit to talking to myself that will be having lower volume. Okay, so it's better that you don't hear such talks. yeah, so I got it. So I was just doing some self-talk, then my volume will naturally go down. Please ignore those. If I'm speaking to you, I will speak up. Okay, we're all loaded with puts here now on JSW Steel and Bank Nifty. If it breaks this low, I'll add to my position in Bank Nifty. Remember, I took a medium-sized position. I want to add more if it breaks that. You can see the 10 EMA is acting as a good resistance. Nifty is breaking 25,900 below 25,886. it should fall down to 25.20. Nifty has made a beautiful bearish engulfing and also broken its low. You can expect a small pullback and then fall. Bank Nifty on the other hand is troubling us a lot. It's gone beyond my top, so I have to exit again. No, hold on. What's the price now? 150. Waiting for 1 minute. It might just, I'm just thinking it might just touch the 10 MA and come down. Just 1 minute. Okay, this is the moment of truth. If this stop get hits, then that's it for me for the day, because that means that my view is completely wrong, or the market is going to be sideways, which is what usually happens when two stop loss hits. I will have to just accept and move on if it hits. We are on 1 minute chart now, looking for behavior at 553.998, which is nothing but the 10 EMA on 3 minute chart, and also the resistance. I'm doing this because of the options volatility. It is crazy volatility in options, so it should not cross below 125. That's a bit far anyway. So it has made the touch now. Now it has to come down, or we are gonna go slightly more loss than anticipated. Yes, this is what I go down. No way. So exiting. So that is a big loss, minus 26k. Well, the gain from JSW is now currently at 10k. So I will wind up the trade now, because when it's two stop losses hit, I will stop trading, whatever be the reason. So I am going to book JSW as well, and yeah, it happens. It's important that we protect our capital and not. So for those who still want to trade, wait for 54.104 to come and then look for a reversal, or that's only trade pending. That's anyways. We will see tomorrow then. We have 8 minutes left, so let's just wait. So I have exited JSW as well. With my net was minus 16.2 today. I'm not going to trade anymore. Hindustan Copper is looking nice. I regret, the only thing I regret is that guy, I didn't short. So 2 trading loss, and this has been my habit for quite some time, and it has helped me. Otherwise, we'll go long here and then again reverse. That's when we get into over trading and revenge trading business, which has always resulted in disaster for me. So I consciously make sure that I don't trade after 2 losses. Okay, this is since I trade with large quantities, this loss is well within my limits, so I know that I can make it up on another day. So that's it for now. Anybody has open positions, let me know. If any suggestion is needed, otherwise we'll end the stream. We'll wait for 54.104. I think what these guys are going to do is they're going to decay the premium on both sides, right, while slowly but surely taking Bank Nifty to, see, the logic is pretty simple, right? So if you look at the daily chart, sorry, a 15-minute chart, we can see that this is a supply zone, right? The long wick, this is what will make trading difficult, right? So it has to test the supply zone. If it crosses the supply zone, then the game is changing to long, right? But till then, we are under the assumption that it should touch this supply zone, which is in the range of 54.104 to 54, this high, right? 54.142. So look, wait for a negative candle to form somewhere here if you still want to trade, and then try for a short position, right? Long, let it cross 52.250, and then it will definitely give you a pullback to around 52.200 or 52.142. Look for a positive candle there and then go long after. So that's a simple style. Right now, this is quite clearly a long, but the problem is this candle, right? This is full of supply. Can you imagine the amount of selling that needs to happen for Bank Nifty to fall like this? And so that is the reason why I'm not too keen on buying this market. And if I look at daily chart, again, okay, daily chart, Bank Nifty is looking very bullish now because of today's candle, right? So maybe time to reevaluate. Let's see where it goes. So it has broken the previous day's low, and looks like it wants to. 50% of this particular candle is it's at 54.107, which is also closer to what I said of 54.104. So that's where the reversal will come, if it comes. So we'll wait for that level to come and then take the trade. If there is a negative candle, made an error by not waiting, and that's a problem. A lot of bearish stocks: REC, IND Hotel, Tata Power, PPCL, ONGC, Canara Bank, PFC, and MDC. All these have given sell candle, and market breadth is pretty negative for Bank Nifty, but the only stock which is doing well is HDFC Bank, so that's why we see the dance. Nifty also, market breadth is very negative, but again HDFC Bank is holding it over there, and about Reliance is slightly negative. So HDFC seems to be the guy who is holding the market. Nifty 200 is very, very bad market breadth. PB Fintech is minus 5% down. Okay, Nifty 500 is very negative. Easy trip. IEX is another 4% down today. It's fantastic. HEG is 8% up. Okay. So let's not get trapped in the premium game. unless 54,104 comes, there is avoid trading is my takeaway. And as you might have seen before, whenever two stop loss of mine hits on the same instrument, it usually means a sideways. So maybe if you want to short some options, probably that's the way to go. But I'm stopping trading, and I wish you all good luck, and let's see tomorrow. Might be a better day for us. JSW Steel is doing very well now. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. Bye bye. True. That's what happens when the market is sideways. No, but ours is not going up. So it's down in the doldrums. 30% down from where we. ऐसा भी नहीं होगा. Sure. Take care.